In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing emails in the drag and drop editor in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into Hubspot, open the email tool, and build a clean on-brand email using the drag and drop editor, all without getting lost in the interface. First, open your browser and search for Hubspot. You can type HubSpot login in your search bar, then head to the official login page. If you work across multiple portals, it's helpful to bookmark the correct login so you land in the right account every time. Next, log in with your account. Make sure you're using a user with the right permissions to access marketing tools. If your company uses two-factor authentication, have that ready. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot home dashboard. From here, look for the top navigation and click on Marketing. This is your hub for campaigns, ads, forms, and of course, emails. In that marketing menu, select Email to open the email management area where drafts, scheduled emails, and past sends live. Now click Create Email. This opens the flow for building a new message. You'll be asked to choose a sending method. Pick the option that matches your intention, a standard one-time marketing email for newsletters and announcements, or an automated option if your email will be triggered by a workflow. If you're unsure, the standard send is a great place to start and keeps things simple. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch. This ensures you're using HubSpot's drag and drop editor with a blank canvas, which gives you full control over layout and styling without being locked into a pre-built template. It's ideal when you have a specific design in mind. Once the editor loads, click All Default Modules. This expands the full library of building blocks like text, images, buttons, dividers, social icons, and more, so you can see everything available to assemble your email. You can now start dragging a field onto your template. Pull in a logo or header image at the top to set the brand tone. Add a rich text block for your main message and use headings to break up content. Drop in a button for your call to action and make its label short and action-oriented. Spacers and dividers help create breathing room, while social icons can sit near the footer. Keep accessibility in mind with clear alt text for images and strong color contrast. Aim for a single, primary CTA, keep paragraphs concise, and design with mobile readers in mind by stacking content vertically and avoiding overly wide images. As you arrange modules, think hierarchy first, headline, supporting copy, visual, then the CTA, followed by a simple footer with your company details. This approach keeps your message clear, scannable, and conversion focused.